Okay, so I have already received that Matsushita motor. What I can say, this is a high quality one. And what I'm doing right now, I have disassembled it just to oil and to clean everything so that it would perform as good as new, you know. And this one was from the factory. I think not clockwise, but we need to make it counterclockwise, so it will be very easy. We just swap minus with plus, and we will achieve that. So right now you can see how I'm just doing the cleaning process. I love this motor already because of how it is easily serviceable, you know. Wow, this one is so quiet, feels very nice. Okay, so let's then switch the sides. So right now plus was on that side, so let's do that like this. And what I think also we have to a bit solder those, but about those capacitors, we have 4.7 and 3.3, maybe let's check those. Oh, well, those connectors kind of not very good. Okay, and what do we have? We have for this kind of capacitor normal ESR, but maybe I will try to find in my collection, maybe I have those in stock. Jesus. Okay, so I'm gonna search those, maybe I'll have those in stock, and so in this case I'm gonna change them. So till then, so I found some capacitors, and this one's 4.7 microfarad, and ESR is 1.3, and this one is 3.3 microfarads. Let's check. But ESR is not very nice. What about this one? Okay. Minus and the plus. And what do we have? Oh, it froze, I think. Let's try again. I think we will have to remove it from the circuit. Okay, so let's do this instantly. Good. Okay, so let's check again. This one is 3.3. This one has, I think, much better ESR. Yeah. I think I will leave this one and this one maybe I will replace. So let's do this then. So I think this will be all right. Let's put those aside. Okay, so right now what we have to do, we have to change the polarity of the motor, and as I remember this was marked as a plus, so as a plus I am right here, so let's switch those as like that, and let's remove a bit of okay. Yeah, so like that. Let's quickly test my PSU. Okay, so right now it is spinning in the correct direction. Okay. Okay, now it's quiet. Yeah, and now it is spinning counterclockwise. So it is fine. Good. So now we can assemble it. Nice and quiet. Good. So this is it. Right now I will put this motor into Aiwa unit and we will check that wow and flutter if we will get a better result with this one. So till then. Okay, so I have installed that new motor that I got and revealed earlier. this tape is spinning already, and what we have a very minor drift in speed, like at maximum 5 Hz, and wow and flutter is I would say better than it was with this one, because with this one we've got like 0.07, 0.06 in some cases, and right now with this motor we are a bit more stable, and we are in the 0.05 range, and in the first part of the tape it was even better. It was like 0.0445, something like that. So I think we got a better result with this one. So I think I will keep this inside the machine and I'll test it more, and I'll update you about what I managed to squeeze out of this device. Also, what I have to say is that the motor have to break in, I think, a bit, because it was totally new. So we are getting better and better results, as I can see. So till then. Okay guys, I want to share what I managed to do. So if you can see, we have very good wow and flutter. Speed is not super consistent, but wow and flutter is amazing with this motor. It's just so superb, as you can see. Almost in the specification of the service manual, actually. I have not managed to get that kind of wow and flutter with any quartz locked Akai or Sony device. This is very nice results, as you can see. So that's a short update, so till then. And it's getting better and better, and it's not a source. As you can see, it's a tape, yeah, because if I switch to source, then there we see no signal. Then I switch to the tape, and then let's wait. So that's what we get. Very nice results, as you can see. Very nice. Okay, so that's it for this video.